Okay guys, so I wanted to go over a few things today with you about my Ego lawnmower and how I use it to cut my lawn. I've got several questions lately about the lawn that I have and how I get such a nice cut on it using the Ego mower. And so I thought I'd show you guys today kind of what I've come up with to deal with the limitations that come with the electric mower. So I love this piece of equipment. It's like, I think it's 6 years old now. I think it was pretty much the first generation of Ego mower. And so there's nothing special about it. It isn't upgraded. It isn't super powerful. And really its main limitation that I've got with it is that it doesn't like to cut grass when it's either wet or when it's long. And today I've got grass that is both semi-wet and pretty long. So I thought this was a good opportunity to show you guys kind of the system I've come up with to overcome the limitations of this mower. So what I like to do when I've got grass like this is I like to mulch as much as I can. But honestly, if I was to just chug through this whole wet, kind of heavy, lush grass and just try to mulch all of it, I would get clumps everywhere, and it would be hard to mow, and it would bog down, and it wouldn't be a great mow or a great experience, and it wouldn't look very good when I was done. So what I like to do is I like to start out with this mower on level 4, and I will mulch, and I'll go around and I'll do one direction and I'll mulch the grass out. And it doesn't really matter what it looks like, and it doesn't really matter how much it drops, but I will be able to use the mulch and the nutrients it gives and get through the mow that way. And then what I like to do after that is I'll drop it down to a number 3, put the bag on, and go the other direction, or in other words, cross-cut the grass. So what I do is I get the benefit of having a mulch, having it cross-cut, having a nice clean bagged look at the end, and while still getting the benefit of some of the mulching and the nutrients that it gets from doing that. So I'll get you guys set up on a camera so you can watch this happen, and you can see kind of the process I go through and how it looks when I get done.